material handling. It underpins the very fabric of our modern world, the art and science of moving things efficiently and safely. Imagine a world without the seamless flow of goods. It's a world we could scarcely imagine. Material handling keeps industries running, ensuring everything reaches its destination precisely. It's more than just moving boxes. Optimizing processes and maximizing efficiency, essential for businesses of all sizes. Consider the journey of a simple product like a cup of coffee, from the coffee beans harvested on distant plantations to the milk collected from local farms to the sugarcane processed in vast refineries. Each ingredient undergoes a complex journey before it reaches your cup. Each step of this journey, from harvesting and processing to packaging and distribution, relies heavily on efficient material handling. Trucks, trains, ships, and planes transport these goods across continents and oceans, while forklifts, conveyors, and other equipment ensure their smooth movement within factories and warehouses. This intricate web of transportation and handling is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of efficiency. It's a system that has evolved over centuries, constantly adapting to new technologies and the ever-increasing demands of a globalized world. The importance of efficient material handling cannot be overstated. In today's hyper-competitive business environment, every second counts, and any delay can ripple through the supply chain, impacting delivery times, customer satisfaction, and ultimately, the bottom line. Optimized material handling streamlines operations, reduces waste, and frees up valuable resources. By minimizing the time and effort required to move materials, businesses can increase productivity, improve worker safety, and enhance their overall competitiveness. Moreover, efficient material handling plays a pivotal role in reducing environmental impact. By optimizing transportation routes, minimizing material waste, and adopting sustainable handling practices, businesses can contribute to a greener, more sustainable future. At its core, material handling involves a wide range of equipment, each designed for specific tasks and environments. This equipment can be broadly categorized into three main types: manual, powered, and automated. Manual material handling, as the name suggests, relies on human strength and dexterity. This includes tasks like lifting, carrying, pushing, and pulling, often using simple tools like hand trucks, dollies, and pallet jacks. While manual handling is suitable for small-scale operations or handling delicate items, it can be physically demanding and pose ergonomic risks if not performed correctly. Powered material handling equipment, on the other hand, harnesses external power sources to amplify human effort. This category encompasses a wide range of equipment, from forklifts and pallet trucks to cranes and hoists. These machines significantly increase lifting capacity, reduce manual strain, and improve overall efficiency. Section 5. The machines that move mountains. Automated material handling systems represent the cutting edge of this field, employing sophisticated technologies like robotics, sensors, and software to automate material movement. These systems are designed to operate with minimal human intervention, performing tasks with speed, precision, and consistency that often surpasses human capabilities. Automated guided vehicles, or AGVs, for instance, can navigate complex warehouse environments, autonomously transporting materials between designated points. Robotic arms, equipped with advanced vision systems and grippers, can pick and place items with remarkable accuracy, even in cluttered or confined spaces. These automated systems offer numerous advantages, including increased throughput, reduced labor costs, improved safety, and enhanced accuracy. However, they also require significant upfront investment and ongoing maintenance, making them more suitable for large-scale operations with high throughput requirements. Section 6. The rise of the robots. Forklifts are arguably the workhorse of the material handling world. These versatile machines, available in various sizes and configurations, are essential for lifting and transporting heavy loads within warehouses, factories, and construction sites. From counterbalanced forklifts, designed for lifting heavy pallets, to narrow aisle forklifts, optimized for navigating tight spaces, these machines come equipped with a range of attachments, such as forks, clamps, and rotators, allowing them to handle a diverse array of materials. Conveyors, on the other hand, are the unsung heroes of material handling, quietly and efficiently moving materials over long distances or through various stages of production. These systems, ranging from simple gravity conveyors to complex powered conveyor belts, provide a continuous flow of materials, eliminating the need for intermittent handling and reducing the risk of damage. Section 7. Forklifts, the workhorse of industry. Conveyors, often likened to the arteries of a production line, ensure a steady and controlled flow of materials throughout a facility. Imagine a factory producing thousands of bottles of juice every hour. Conveyors transport the empty bottles, guide them through filling and capping stations, and finally deliver the finished products for packaging and distribution. These systems come in various forms, each suited to specific tasks. Roller conveyors, for instance, are ideal for moving lightweight items, while belt conveyors can handle heavier loads and navigate inclines and declines. Overhead conveyors, suspended from the ceiling, maximize floor space and provide a flexible solution for transporting materials across different work areas. The selection of the appropriate conveyor system depends on factors like the type and volume of materials being handled, the layout of the facility, and the desired speed and efficiency of the operation. Section 8. Conveyors, the arteries of production. Choosing the right material handling equipment is crucial for optimizing efficiency and ensuring a smooth and cost-effective operation. This decision should not be taken lightly, as selecting the wrong equipment can lead to bottlenecks, increased costs, and even safety hazards. Several factors influence this decision, including the type of material being handled, the volume of materials moved, the layout of the facility, and the available budget. For instance, handling delicate electronics requires equipment designed for precision and stability, while moving heavy machinery necessitates robust equipment with high lifting capacity. The layout of the facility also plays a crucial role. Narrow aisles might necessitate specialized narrow aisle forklifts, while facilities with high ceilings might benefit from high-reach order pickers. Additionally, the budget allocated for material handling equipment significantly influences the choice between manual, powered, or automated solutions. Section 9. Choosing the right tools for the job. In conclusion, material handling, often operating behind the scenes, is the unsung hero of countless industries, silently ensuring the smooth flow of goods that sustain our modern world. From the raw materials extracted from the earth to the finished products that grace our homes, material handling plays a pivotal role in every stage of the supply chain, connecting producers and consumers across vast distances. As technology advances and industries evolve, material handling will continue to adapt, embracing new innovations to enhance efficiency, safety, and sustainability. By understanding the principles of material handling and choosing the right equipment, businesses can unlock significant operational improvements, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge in today's dynamic marketplace. Transformed. The future of material handling is brimming with exciting possibilities. Automation and robotics are advancing, creating intelligent systems that handle complex tasks with minimal human intervention. Imagine warehouses where robots optimize storage, pick and pack orders, and conduct inventory checks autonomously. This collaboration will redefine efficiency, leading to faster deliveries, reduced errors, and increased productivity. AI and machine learning will enable predictive maintenance, identifying potential failures before they disrupt operations. Material handling will continue to evolve, shaping the industries that